In this video, I introduce myself as a freelancer. The video will consist of three parts. First part, my role now. The second part, the courses that I've taken either inside the university or outside it and may have a great impact to work as a freelancer. The third part, I'll talk about my plans and wishes. Hi, my name is Ammar Mohammed Nabil. My nickname is the Ghost Engineer. I am a Mechatronics engineer student at Arab Academy for Science and Technology, one of the high-ranked and verified universities in the Middle East. I still have 2 years left to graduate. First, I'll talk about courses I have taken outside university and have a great impact to work as a freelancer. First course is KUKA robot course with excellent grade, and here's the certification. Second course is digital marketing course from Google Digital Garage, and here's the certification. Now I'll talk about courses that I've taken in the university and have a great impact to work as a freelancer. And there are 6 courses. The first 2 courses are structured programming and programming applications, where in structured programming, basics of C language was introduced. Whereas in programming applications, more advanced real-life applications of C language was taken, and I've earned successfully A+ grade in each course. The third course was Microcontroller applications, which was PEC 16F877A, with a project which was about controlling an elevator prototype with some cool features. I earned A grade in that course. The fourth course was experimental methods with a project. In that course, Arduino was introduced as an interfacing circuit by using LabVIEW. The project was about smart home application by using 3 sensors and 3 actuators. I earned A+ grade in that course. The fifth course was Mechatronics. Lectures and tutorials. Details for multiple sensors and actuators were introduced. Whereas in laboratory of that course, we've learned how to control Arduino using Arduino IDE. I earned B+ grade in that course. The sixth course and last one is CAD. The course was about how to use Autodesk Inventor from the basics till the assembly and finished drawing with a project. The project should contain the following requirements: technical report, engineering drawing and assembly with animation if possible, presentation, and the project passed. I earned B+ grade in that course. And here is my student transcript, which should prove the earned grades in the previous courses. For nowadays, I have attended digital marketing and freelancing course from Udacity. Only the certification exam is left, which should make me qualified enough to work as a freelancer content creator after successfully passing the certification exam. And actually, after editing the video, I have successfully passed the certification exam and got it. And here it is. I hope to work as a freelancer in the fields of digital marketing, content creation, programming, Arduino interfacing and control, and design projects using Autodesk Inventor. And of course, photo and video editing, as all video edits in that CV video are done by me. And you can check my Instagram profile link from the description below to see my photo edits. And all other platforms concerning TikTok, Instagram to see my video edits on shorts and reels. Don't forget to check my Google Drive certifications folder in the description below. And don't forget to like and share this video to reach many people, which may increases the opportunities for me to work as a freelancer. And if you want to ask me any question, you can ask it in the comment section below, and I'll happily answer it as soon as possible.